It's matrimonial day. Let me send it for some fine GH1 switching a home. Mechia DJY. And I'm a producer and a Kwame Jan. And I'm dedicated so ye the amount they trash for. And I say PM extra for. First Evicted. I want be a quiet might say why be you be I won't be a quiet saying you. Now me routine I was rooting for these two couples. I just say yeah then you say yeah then you. It was so unfortunate that unfortunate happened. But life goes on, what I say. They made the show so lively, so nice. And the number one come over come you be Asani Abomonyomokwa throughout. I hire Adwuma Adwuma on Onua 95.1 FM.
Piano, I'm a piano. Piano, it's a big vibe. The girls them know. I'm a piano. Piano.
If I should only leave nice messages now on Facebook, I mean, come over here, come. Say that I don't know, nice messages, short and simple. But when you essay, not more than 300 words.
Overseas don't want chop me like soup.
We so do can I want to think more than if I had make me announce tomorrow. So I can't temper.
They dance like Chris Breezy.
Jimmy Magnano, keep the good work up for double net saying.
They call me Mr. Money.
Erich Margaret, I'm watching live from Atun Subo Crew. Hey, come on, so for. I don't pay a fin. I'll be the American for Dano Milk at the mouth. Say you with you, Tom Brown, oats, rice water. Did you an episode the breakfast wise? So here Dano Milk, what I say. Fire and Cranadian and no margin mummy. Mondays and a paddy in so close to a master and I be seen, but in Crano did no milk none of pana. Or my dream is sharp. And the virtual will be answer Captain alive. Ubanya nutrients be bro. Dano milk, Ubanya vitamin A. Samson a vitamin B12 and iodine. Dano milk is very, very affordable and a baby abunya biato. Choose Dano milk today for your nourishment and build your strength every day. Dano milk, let's see, go for it. Hey, 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 hey. Now I'm going. This one I'm magic. Because that's what I'm busy. Yay. It's this one I'm. It's this one I'm magic. Because that's what I'm busy. Yay. Hey. How was your weekend? The weekend no call saying. Bibi akwa kama de. Eso Onua na mepe. We be so atre me ama me kasha. Radio sa minim so sa. Eso Onua na mepe. We be so atre me ama me kasha. Onua na opa coffee. Onua na opa coffee. Not just an yes, now, but stress and you were particular. Not just so catch any girl and say, or before Frana. Because the way do so many souls and so on, I'm a pet. And again, so castle or none a pack of fat. And that's when you could catch any girl and say, when you before for no one or penno. Why, dear, one man girl no respects and one could cheat me ancient. And I would, whatever. But why, dear, so to me, be my catch and say. When you before for or Sunday one a pay, and a girl no see a tias for or says on one pay the alcofa and car broke or say no one a partner conocofa. I test for no mood date ye. Come on. Mamma found a coin away soon. I may find me some guest me. No, I lean in the doffle roots. Now, what to say? What to say? Oh, yeah. I don't bring news. What to say? As I can see me do ya say. Oh yeah, Papa send your camera no kwa. Now more fata. You are looking good together.
Thank you.
And you hear your boy say see and you me ali mami misao. We share na dofo. And I think so what train girl ni mu say. We show before for osane mu no anope. What my that bold enough to tell Ruth say we share will be. Nah, I was on need date. And now who relationship now you're fed up? Who be one and now you don't say it.
for me, minka. I won't say it. Me nyasa kukuru no nkasa. Enka say me no we jai. Ebe to me jai ba me nyasa kukuru nkan tro say jai.
Adentia.
Me nisa kukuru no.
But I woke up and unya kukudo ka chene say, Ruth, me pese me no tena na wanya kukudro.
Oh, me nya kukuru.
Na de na ni jai ama ni tene ho say woni ni jai.
Misuru pa because ma bibire na ma ba no ka twom say woni me jai duaba wo.
Sa.
Onya na o de ajew. So
Ruth. Hey. Yali kiken. Me so sa Ruth so no be date na say we are fed up in the relationship. What me I bold enough I catch and say, you know what? I am done. What me I can? I want so because you know say you don't want the person anymore.
Yeah.
Obi te say Ali no mu date or mu cheating no. Because you know say you are fed up with the relationship. Also obi one no catch and say, Ruth, me and am can see in date, but I think say see no. Me can't do obi. Let's so far no be enjoy that.
Ejade ejaba me fama no nka.
What dem
Obi abeko. Obi abeko no kwan.
Let's always go still on the person.
Exactly.
Oh, yes, uncle phone bi no.
Sa na metie.
Let's just say the all kind dey no be the tie na ompini bi abetete na kwen so no abeko.
Ejojo no kama.
Roots na wo mark na wo chiro bi to ho.
Oh, egumitim.
Egutrim. Let's no be the tie na be jojo no.
Yes, me jojo in a way say like say me jojo no. But mean to me nka in a way say meaning say the mayor like emu bet.
You my guidelines o be say.
Metro from you. Bits by
Me fra on fa. And one oye no. On oye obi. At least na oye Ruth. Ah, obo saying. Let's just say oni ne da so ho. O da so pen no.
Pen no me don oye makoma mu tofe. Makoma mu tofe.
But no na all the love on the man no sanka ye no crank on no onka say. Are you feeling the love he's giving?
No.
Do you feel it? Is there the connection?
Yes.
The connection is there.
I personally know say he loves me.
Then you also now can
like you know some way be.
That's what pass one pay.
That's what pass on pay. That vibe.
That's all confuse you one. Among who baby ujina. Asa utiki ka.
I say.
Etro be jao.
O chami ja ha ene me pel. Chami jao sanoye.
Now ha dey na wo ye man yes ah.
Menye hwe so. Menye hwe. Asem kitu e bia e wo say nka na kitu e.
Asem na eketo asem bia wo hu ni say eketo bia na ono nye keto ama na asem na eketo afọ wo.
Oh yes.
Me patcho tie phone that for I have with me Ruth and Ali. First evictee couple la omo free PM Extra TV3 reality show no. And them no twetwe nkomo dey more thing because our show now omo don na ye so real. Me am tifie no kana me I felt the connection between these couple. But unfortunately for us, ye favorite the free mu. And able to almost say what went wrong because they are a nice couple and I'm a boy. Into root of share. And then now because Ali is not no. On your crass on your no started show attitude. You might have contributed to the fact or no else to what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
We do girls say yeah.
No.
We do near one said any more shade. My many more say minion artist I said no coca boy no. Me na me
Me kanu kwa minyane shwe.
Minyane shwe bai. Minyane shwe bai Ali. Aso nya o shwe. Ene Ali una anya na.
Me pa. I want say relationship we understanding.
You
say na like I understand.
I understand.
So maybe person betima say, but person me to ase.
Me too.
Person betima say, but person me to ase. But I want say two things like two people are involved. Sometimes yourself like what me feelings at ase.
Let me feelings at attitude na betia me.
And feeling
no.
Because on to me in case my any baby.
Root on them show, but I feel say naturally. Sana me Yankopon bomb me for once obi mu kasa. Omunim say omukasa.
Omuni man that tone kasa.
Exactly.
Sana me metie. Ebi ana me bunfu yo. But me kasa was true. To me say girl no buafu.
No akasa. Enu ana me yo.
Me no me ye say ye shada. Nya wote me ba. Ye me enu ye say betumi me kasa but ehinti. Ye me kasa nkofom. Ye kasa was true there. We know when we want to shout. And the kasa na was running your picture, obi say your pitch. When you get angry, it's obvious.
It's obvious.
Yes, into what shada na tada wa yes sir.
Until my
get angry like I don't mean ye bibia money she na before. Onakasa no to no man no onakasa start mommy attitude.
And also pay attention more wrong.
Karen.
Yeah, for
We your last born.
your first born.
And now your last born. And then you grow them. We your PSC. And now you catch
It's not major so say no.
also to say big sister and I say bibi and I'm a boy. But on your side.
My friend and madam and the boyfriend.
Now my friend madam me.
Bro, if I my friend bro no so ni boyfriend.
I don't have a friend. No, me know they two from madam saying.
Imagine.
Yes.
Me o kwa kapena ni boyfriend.
Me don't know what that. Debbie. We know they two from madam.
Oh, to be fair,
Oh, madam,
baby. To be fair, baby. Like in the nice
Baby,
way.
of course. Or draw. No. Me too local for me. And I'm boy. I come to feed them here toffee. No. As I saw that I live one I said lollipop. As I saw that damn
romantic children
yes.
birthday baby.
I come to feed their why. We didn't want the phone no emojis ka ho. An emojis in ka ho. Roots
and PMS track. PMS track.
That's all who nipa movie asana. You don't see her beyond the reality show.
I see her that.
You know you don't because you can't say so you was saving the also saving the saying.
Ali babe.
My hey.
Me phone na dum.
About root.
Ufo be do.
Hey root.
Ali babe with flower with love emoji with that like the love emoji what when you swing I'm doing that.
And it's also in there some and Ali they make it. They because that's a word exaggerate.
Yes, she is.
Aren't you offended? Emojis in also too much.
It also too much.
When I can answer them.
Me kwa okakwa I don't send me share no because minjindi. The okakwa minjindi.
There's a more relationship in the GD and Nimana.
Like was saving Ali. Said me so saving the routine and what's all say but the emoji.
Me the baby can home.
Okay, my maybe sir. Say the order for be save wood in a relationship. Does it really matter?
It doesn't matter. But it matters.
Wow, it doesn't matter.
No, Ruth, stand one place. Stand
exactly.
There. You are confusing us. What is it? Does it or it doesn't matter?
Okay, it matters.
Why?
Okay, because no me feel say
what if
special?
No, what if say me only me date? Say the workers of person feel special no. For na media o. I don't live with you. Exactly. Say me ba ho no ma di emoji ne be kan me fro kan ma sesa no. And so eh.
Yes.
Ono na be dada no.
Okay, I understand. No crepa.
Se unfi akoma mu ndo bi na unhu nipa no say oye won kwa wo dia na say wo ye won kwa na dia. Whatever you feel like doing no. Because some guys are players, you may think say oh yeah, when are you main chick no but when
not
it
deep
goes,
down,
you are the side chick. See for that one day.
One outer down.
If you are right now, no, let me change it. See, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Ali, doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I didn't hear.
So don't know why yet say they'll be saving the pack on a din or phone so never just hold on the pack on. And I make me feel it.
Oh no, feel it.
Exactly.
So me the say I believe say still they will be saving me dinner. It doesn't matter. But everybody wants to feel special. Exactly. What I say. Minka say, when you true didn't be any. But frame me Evicted Felicia and our phone so. And yes, our baby to channel me frewa. Me who to so. Either class or the jatabi would you bet to the palo cartoon say, get over the danger. That is what my friend again not and one as an one was so. But Felicia dear, I can Felicia can be Felicia, anybody is Felicia.
My sister,
yes.
my cousin,
yes.
My toilet cleaner.
Exactly. But if I'm so special to you, dear, and you say maybe I won't also my feel special, even in my absence, no. Let it speak volume. My name Costro, Mobi will say, oh, the girl need her crowd, but said was saving the other city was kind of what some chenko for no. Or the need now the boy man. So they see your boyfriend the any problem, but made dear. And who yam pa? And who yam? So what I say? You see a life after no inside, no more inside no. How was it?
Oh, it was fun. Any JD, I mean,
What it through dear? Want to make us one year? Who are it through?
Me pan there, make myself.
Okay.
Me pan there, me pan. I had fun. I got to relate to people because me and Kasaman said and nipa be brave and she didn't near boom sa.
Okay.
But me ba house so me who said there. I was say when like nipa relate. So what I said any nipa kasa.
Without phones.
Without phones.
Yes.
Without phones, no. Anything I'm a friends, conversations, na like yeah, them come on. Roots, my baby girl so bad, like when I'm down or to me, like manage. I feel like it's normal. Because I'm in dream phone problem.
No dream phone problem. But one 50 so.
At a point, me feel mommy. Yeah, me feel mommy. But I think say normal, definitely. Say AP definitely me Pia. I'll go and see her.
You go and see her.
I was feeling normal as say maybe we took choir we jive maybe a month or two. Now we need what I say. I was very
Hey,
upset.
Facebook comment Don Rex. It doesn't matter. I have even saved my girlfriend name prepaid.
Hey, you want to trust me?
Hey, you want to trust me? Does she know someone saving it in prepaid there? No, because I think say how you save somebody's name represents who the person is in your life.
Yes.
Me say only me they turn to me save me din. Hey, if it's hey, it means I'm hey in your life.
Yes.
Prepaid then so who is on obet me at any moment.
Obesano or call no ma obe save it in back to the person's name.
It's so disrespectful.
Very disrespectful.
And obe saving the prepaid then can believe say family Felicia and Kasa friend me. Because prepaid is home woman cry. Exactly. Next is me no woman saying.
Oh, here prepaid and not Kasa
brand. Or sales girl. Some people are so disrespectful in our relationship.
Yes. Very well.
Ruth, how's Onua what to saying?
Oh, no, come on, like. Also, me nanga sano. Debi anu me nkwa me nimi sister Penny Shefi. It's me get the time to get close to people because me that like sociable. Yeah, so me call house no 95.1. It's me I'm out for me related to some stuff. Me call na me name say me to me. So where you call Italy and aside the attitude that na all mommy no.
But na soon now you okay. 1 minute be na soon now you okay.
Na me okay, me kwa na me mpe. But Ali, any little thing no like o feel say obe lose me.
I'm a wine. It's a house or
boys in the doors.
Okay, now it's true. Oh, insecurities.
Yes.
I didn't hear. Would you do so when you find out Niska? I don't know true so lose to girlfriend.
It's true in the sense that friends the root in Angasa. You feel say that you're only memano. They relate no kasano no baby.
Yeah, me some more problem with that.
Yes.
It's still an enemy dating after other people baby. They say I'm not baby enough.
Exactly.
No, baby is dear me. Like naturally it looks normal to me.
No, it's not. So no be date here. The other friend and look at for other people the same name. It doesn't make the person come out special.
Yes.
What I say me throw be a baby. I just say me confused. So me boy now inside now.
Yes.
Because to be a baby. It's me boy is trained home cry so na baby or so one baby. So what I say it's so be a baby there of course. I be feeling insecure. I don't know what you say. Ali, do you believe in tit for tat in relationships and also you believe in letting it slide?
The question again.
All right.
Breaking it down 1 minute.
Matthias. Uno be relationship man. Do you believe say, "Oh yeah, my dear, may you be a manager ya?" And also be, "Oh, my ninja, my ninja, when
oh, me feel say, oh yeah, I'll let go of it. Me jaya manaka. When you say, "Why am I there? Me intimate so or say me yo, the best show more." Me feel say, I'll just let it go. Obi na some fana. Yes.
Ruth, also take on it in the same.
Said anytime I stand man.
Just for that, no.
Me feel like I'm going away.
And going away. Okay.
Because me when say it will be waste of time. Say many time I very pay and something you've done.
If you're not happy, just leave.
Just leave.
And yes, sir.
Just move.
And then I didn't root with me. Your palm walker says so. I fade the root, maybe me, I'm done. Then with me, I'm not cold, dim pan. No.
Maybe cheating.
Maybe you're not even sure.
Cheating, no, cheating.
How will you know something?
No, relax.
Hey,
Definitely, I will still know.
How will you know?
I will know.
How?
Because said I'm new relating.
Yes.
Maybe text me, yeah, having fun like it chatting normal. Say that we send, we are sending emojis in the name of the idea. I command in name. Until we'll get to a point and say, oh, mom is attention because
you haven't met a stubborn girl.
I can give you attention.
Let me, I'm seeing somebody else.
Whoa.
You haven't met a stubborn girl. You are a man. We are girls. Just so you know.
I can talk to you and be knocking.
God,
please, we didn't hear that. Please,
God,
talking to the mic. What you can be what?
But it's normal, like under normal circumstance, a lady who cheats, obey to in the Bema for they are doing the thing, but still now for a picking work aside, you won't realize.
God,
and no kind of castle like that.
Ali, what you say?
Matthias here.
Into by so cheaty.
Me fucker if you feel about.
I can tell someone that I'm dating. Maybe I find the same panel. Yeah, my bestie and I be bisa. We still only send me day too. But still now we will be doing something.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yes, me like I'm just giving a scenario. Like
they be sound so yeah now.
Yeah,
because they will teach you details, you know.
Into details,
like me example, because of what he said, say start to say
emojis
some emojis and stuff. No, na make us say. Obi bet me I be a chance, but what the same attention you want.
What material? Also, which is your boy cheated, also cheating. Where they know. Ali a Canadian, also Canadian. I'm smack me the didn't come in, didn't come on.
Mehu because say Bema Pewa on Pel. The Bema Pewa on Pel.
How?
I don't know. Men like I mentioned until beside that mom dear.
I know more about chill.
Men too. But there may be suspect here. Later on, me say no, you serious. So by because I was famous.
Okay.
But aside that, no.
Next and for approach you because you are famous.
Yeah. Like or more. Me can say
or more opportunist.
Yes, sir. Like they or more bar and will make me think that
they love you.
They love me, and I'll give my all. And later on, no, to be like, oh, Ruth, Miss my dating be that. Okay. So until major social media dating, no. So any guy who approach me or me DM talking about love stuff, now don't give them attention anymore.
Oh.
So
I must send for chances.
Say me call, if I say me call baby, and I say this, I say shall be not be I say Ali, I know him, and I know say like he's a cool guy. For that one, day I'm cool. Here, so I am bunny because I can just approach him. But now dream, no, although minim now dream, but minim so tini nyame bunny.
Oh.
It's on social media, no, but no him the other day, but and I told me twice, so I don't want it to happen again.
Okay. First fool is not a fool. Second fool is not a fool. But it also me a sad year.
I ain't be the fool.
What I say, Ali, do you also get experiences like that? Some of approach you because it's Ali.
No be brave, and dear man, dear.
Omo tata.
Be brave, DM ne dear.
Omo tata.
Omo tata. Omo person, omo nyama, omo bed.
Hey, okay, what is our young show?
Oh, beba. They just say when you say a bunny condom.
Hey.
Hey Ruth, I want to understand you. Yes. Let's just say you don't mind sharing your boyfriend.
Exactly.
No, not that I don't mind.
You just said it.
From Bema, you humanizer.
To kwa umbra.
So, the fact I call Beba me one day. The fact I call Beba the bet. To avoid STDs.
Wow.
Hey Ruth, you better catch them and say, Alipa, Uncle Baby. The fact so we obey you are okay.
You no nepe. And I bema.
What's one go ahead? The all kind of say he can do whatever. Okay.
Won't mean to bema boechi. Say a maning who baby on pay. A maning ko pay bema kwa he won ma ho so fed up like pushino. Into Onua nkasa kono obra na waba.
Na one brand or tefa so.
It's not so many.
Akwai say usu ana say ukudi agro obontin. Na mama am behwehwe wa. Mama am kasa brefia say womba. Ana me boa. Ba so mama ka say wo kono brefia na so ba na so bo a kina bia wonko. But the mama dey go ahead and say wonko. Into okono wambe.
Enti okono say opemu a obeba.
Na wampem okono kwanda na wampem
No, feeling free. Bema kapa kasa opel dey see say no ompel. Okofa ma different.
Hey, you Facebook commenting kakre. Don Rex also sharing is carrying. Say Don Rex dey say na beka. Because o class was say we din o get ni eyi. Prepaid. Don Rex so say Ali Kodidi wo fi hododo. Felix Kobina, the name of your partner on your phone is very necessary in relationships. It shows how you are attached to the person and respect. I've said my treasure. Wow. In your absence, it speaks volume.
Yes.
So what I say?
Yes.
You said say boy, it doesn't matter there, but it speaks. Am I who ni pakwa ni need date? Any idea? Why?
Very local.
Very local. Ruth, can you share a password with Ali?
No.
What's it then?
No.
I didn't tell.
95.1.
Because you get to that stage.
Stage bang. Stage bang. I'm trying
Me
somewhere about blood covenant.
Me like the seriousness.
Okay.
Me said that
But
seriousness.
I effort. If relationship is either say 60-40 and I say 70-30. Are you bringing yours? Effort
Yes.
and I want to see no.
Yes.
Are you also pushing hard?
Yeah, I'm pushing hard. Like
Who pushing when your feedback? Maybe I'm pushing hard
pushing
now.
hard from the house till now. I like money making it seem so I said me can me forcing to be with me.
Eh, Ali ahomaso.
That's what I wanted to say. Like ahomaso
or pride.
Or pride. Or pride. Like pride.
Ali. Let's just ask our pass a wumpe.
Me pepa.
Then not now money no wrong signal say as a wumpe.
On timase. So what you say?
And I'm not to say because I believe they also open so to say you need to let her understand.
Because ultimate me. Like ka asema ye ka kwa nya asem we bia ultimate me no e wo se menye dinament na se.
Sa
No ye. No wa starting na on mama attitude na ho nyama. Akasa ma bre.
I don't know about Tiano.
Mintiano, so me can say once me angasa me wo
How soon am I going to say Obwa? How soon they can't uncle money because we say Obwa. Because all classes is here, so only high pitch.
Baby, say when I she must mean team.
You know, say intro. I don't know about Tiano.
Maybe a bit dependent, maybe I require wire. On him. To you, no, but feel say when you in the way and manner, we be so same. Sometimes to a man, it's like it's a total disrespect. But who is how? I
don't remember asking you.
Let me finish talking.
Oh,
maybe,
Ali.
Where be some as?
Yeah, TikTok. Like, and you will be shouting.
It's not about me sorry. It's that me nyebodem na me sorry yana.
Oh,
na
Ali.
say me titi.
The way
So
you
Osei
talk
Felicia.
to Nipa Sumesi, then he will be shouting. Eka say na me nene kasa. Say me nene kasa no. Me tiano. Me say, did you complain? We don't talk like that.
It's not issues. This one is sometimes.
Me bounting. I just talk. Ali, how you talk to Nipa Sumesi?
No.
Oh, Ebia. Oh, Ebia. Say anase. But nah.
No.
Say na me nene kasa. Did you complain?
Ali, count there.
And you no credit. Na me tell me can say sometimes we approach you be the way and manner we need pa ko make say disrespect. But we feel say one kind of sa. But Felicia said, maybe my raising my voice in a way. No. They can in general. As well, me and yet the AC, maybe and yet the AC and a power and I be and I made so at the end and so what you say.
The way you talk to Nipas to Mason, it wasn't nice. Mekano,
no, relax.
Okay, can you say that Mekano?
Until make us say like I don't
understand. How did she?
No.
How did she say it?
It wasn't like. It was said all kind of say all kind of bro and yeah bro.
All kind of saying.
It was louder.
Quote
like,
it.
I said, I can't say San Okano.
Really?
That's what you said.
That's what I said.
That's what. But also Okano. It's not about lying. We are. No. Don't say I'm lying. I didn't want to talk about this. But
that way.
Conversation by I say I can't answer. So what you say?
I was like, Ali, the way you talk to her, no, it wasn't
personal
nice.
issues. No, this one.
Oh no, is she angry? She's not angry. Oh.
I say you felt bad for the person.
I felt bad. Like, why is he talking to me like that? So later on I was like, we need to do some video or outside on because of the way he was talking to her. I was like, I don't even think he would do it. So we should go.
I didn't know about Okasa. Why did you conclude
because
that
I know Ali. Like the short time.
No, you've already concluded.
Yes. Because we are seeing
I know
Ali. I know Ali. Because I know. The first pictures. No,
you can't conclude.
Bro.
You can't come to conclusion anytime.
I beg. The first pictures we went to take. This bro here. Like
once of him, bro. To friend of Madam, I will say I didn't tell me friend of Madam, but on friend of bro.
Like Omani see me, like Omani look at
I thought conversation in the bro never. Like because they started love.
I was forcing him say he should join me. Say na ebekwa ko picture.
I said no, in free pemu.
So the second one no, one kasa
because the oye no.
Like how am I supposed to say Ali? Let's go and take picture. The next bomb na ebeba no. I show him to me jina. But already now you seems not to be in the mood.
No. Osei Felicia, same way yakin. You can't want to cookie tea. Like what advice on this issue? You can't want to maybe into sound about like still a show mu. I approached you. Usi way you be a few mu. Until sack of about access still because you call new day cookie tea after the show or set you down. A kasa today. Or something will be a personal and it will be a kasa separately. Like you can't want to maybe what's on the bar. It means still at the crowd will say where you feel still I said that's sushi umu. So what you said?
Hey, and the call, you have Facebook messages. Ali should know how to handle a lady and how he arrives at pool party night because you were dancing with another lady, but when Ruth did the same, you got pissed. Sure, no, you can for her pa, you go so ayeshe. Ali is too hyper and aggressive. How as I my almost you're hyper and I aggressive. How you talk to the lady will be an ninja honsa. No. Temper.
Yeah, I'm like
Accra.
Like Accra. Me share and kasa be but say me bufua.
That's what piling in your
attitude.
Or some attitude.
As a woman, so 24/7.
Kokoti, no of the
like
na beti ko kana so. I always say go.
No not o kasa no like normal attitude be no.
And I want to say about doing thing I treating inside because most of the time so show so probably too much normal attitude.
Time I was showing this from beginning no. Like I wasn't that
into him. They didn't call for the man sir.
I don't know. It's as time goes on and I started like feeling something for him like so only me cry I feel like me and also started yes like or mommy so attitude for like 4 days. Me bend the car na or you know say you bet me sorry a day on kasa me ho but on the other housemates they will be talking. It's like you be no also per se on mommy space how many housemates which he knows say he's lying but so mommy space how many housemates no ebe kasa and blah 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 but yeah ba house for no me personally me kwa kitchen me ne bella na adwuma ho me ne housemate ne communicate yet na say bet at the end no me nya time ma
na so who reason the same
Sorry, Zinona and said that you way.
And clear Ali, Nessa, Unipa Hofuno, Tamana.
I would have been in Tisaka.
On this, I see the no girl, but sorry, if you pass one number, so you're in the same house, not in for more house ever. I've been out going in the woman attitude. I don't know where, sir.
No, because maybe sometimes it depended, said the AC and I don't know. So what I say? It depended, because Mekan said last day before something like, evicted BBC of on a personal, because me, I felt say, it was something jovial in I bet to me. I relate to Astrid once.
Personal.
But of on personal. No, that's why. No, because how you are talking.
Imagine, say, me partner, no, me no want that baby.
Don Rex, Don Rex, or say we are praying that the bond between you people should be more than Mama Lupita and God Papa the greatest.
Honestly, money.
TikTokers.
Wow.
Papa. Obani si be man from crab, be man so je gina yere so. So mo hwe ni mo se mo mienu se de mo dom ho no. Enso ha ya.
In e don winti.
Obia but Obama Ruth nsa agene ntem. So do be Ruth where so do be do na say the pakon fam effort ne mbasa you get tired because into me because on kwana we cry frank and sa because I say you are making her feel tired already. And I Ruth they make her on say.
Like very tired. Because me okay say asem kitwe bi something funny it wasn't funny. Many wo as my partner yatena se ne yaka asem. Like I was angry because of the attitude you've been giving me. Although I was tipsy and I was like, bro, I want to be alone.
Also, Ado George, Osei Ali is portraying just exactly what Ruth is talking about. He may be rude indeed. Ali and Ruth should be given a chance back to the reality show to settle their difference. I see the love in their eyes despite nagging.
Nagging na.
Oh, asema mene waka no secretly. Na ukoya no wako broadcast it to all the housemates.
Oh.
What on say anya there sir?
Debbie.
Secret when I can. Unka secret be as me.
No, we were sitting there na you know our like couples. Yenya misunderstanding. Ali, I want to be alone. You thought say you won't leave me.
Who was there by that time? I can't say you won't.
Nipa kono hono nipa no wada.
On died. Why lying?
The time we were having misunderstanding, no wada. And I miss Ali, me person me alone. On person ubeja me say should be alone.
Gabriel Kwaku freedom, please. Someone should give me the chance to beat Ali small and slap Ruth small. I don't mind all day. Don Rex, I say Ali don't love Ruth. That's the gospel truth.
Oh, Don Rex, why would you say that?
Yeah, sana omaya GD. Because Ruth in some can and some getting. But what an issue? This all cast a motor and pay or no customer catch up on things. It wasn't necessary.
And yeah, I want said or can make
catch a housemates.
Mammy church him.
Nothing. I was the topic in the house that particular night.
No. Me some because just say insecurity is harming. Into me call me and me we bibia after the Friday night party no. Me no ko dware ko will be like me support so in then me bar bedroom. Na me ko ja okra call a friends ho. Tina me kwa ko dware na so me ko dware mba na me behia wo ho. Nti ma ko dware aba. Na afede ma bedu all of a sudden watching me bedu ya na only guy beat like everyone say guy bom say only guy ne kasa. Me ba ya etonam. Nti me ba ya na me betina mu finfin. So what I said I started vibing with you. No, please I want to be alone. Also, someone was there with you.
I wanted to portray the same attitude you were giving me.
No, relax.
Speaking to the microphone.
Relax. Your friends are lovely.
Everyone was watching.
Relax. Lovely. Date. Let me call him and say, they said their friends are root in my attitude. No, me feel say I say etonam. My friends, the roots of Felicia in the jovial way. It wasn't
like for 4 good days.
So what I say, any interest in my I feeling something for you. I has like like something's like
woman in 4 days.
And you say but it's like she no I I told her that I can't be all over her 247. Yes, a day to make us speak well. But I was like, you are in the house, saying now we are there to meet it. Like I was saying,
when we came to the house, I do whatever I do. I cook. I like me no work kitchen. Me Ali Bella I work kitchen. Debia. Me housemates ye kasa. Me housemates ye kasa. I'm with you, Ali. Yeah, we bibia, me no na eti you call downstairs and me no na eti ho. You upstairs and me no na ho because you men after task. We have that thing to do. Me no na ho me nya time ma. Although me ye bibia me nya time ma housemate no. Me nya time ma. So later on, what are you trying to tell me? Say, oh, person me nya time my housemate. See na woman me space.
Me cry me your cry. Me cry me your cry me okay. It's still now catch him so person me nya time. Ali didn't know yes I cry no.
Like on like I didn't know who be machine. Why would I do that? I didn't know who be machine. Why would I do that? Obi a my father was like me person me know so what you say we have something doing like you know I better do your home. Na maka say we machine. Like that word na once I will cancel like you shouldn't say that. Like like I don't know and I don't understand.
She wants to understand you.
Until say in the sense say and that's like oh mommy space say me and kasa totally you. We talk bisano even after say me like sometimes I get close to her, we hug, we kiss, we do everything. It's not like umo be space I means kasa no crowd. Space, no, that's the meaning. Umo be space, like means oh, you're not talking to the person like 4 days, no, like consistently 4 days. You are not talking to the person. But here's the case that me no kasa. But and just like me, I don't know. I wasn't close to you 247, but now me no kasa. Sometimes go to me be that me paso. I'm addicting. Yeah, go for your how many times on kasa wa down on kwanem paso like almost 3 weeks. I go for your business. Said the ben on kwanem paso. How many times? Almost all time. Or better me paso. In Sanka mama space Sanka, how would you come and sleep on my bed? See, I was say like she doesn't understand. I feel say make her say man space into me like me yaman and yes sir. Bisano say 247. Him for no better. Most of the days him for no better. Or better me chain and then it like me.
Now my home tiana.
That be me woman but I said okay say me man space like and yes sir because obia mama space in there sanka me ma be me mpa no kwa obeda make just down paso so you understand me you have to understand
no penny saying because I believe say
you get it
what I say do you understand what you say
because when your space
according to our for no matter how omunya problem dan papa ko so no mo beda anwumre
god
Intimate me say on kasa me hunti and I say o ma me attitude nti edo anwuma me down with madam bed so
ne den a wa koda
why no semenda so that's what I was doing because I wanted him to at least stop that
attitude now
okay let me go and sleep there e bia
one be kasa
because most of them is religion say bia also oh e bia good morning baby or something on fi me ka so I know I could downstairs I could no abeda
now also want try so be kasa no ko da wo keke
oh me try because I tell say yes say aduane wo ho me fa plate am agene dey akoma no then I'll take my makota na ntani adidi
ni na on kasa ho wo da aduane ma no wagene wadi on kasa ho e na so oni edi me ka be jama wo your bapa root to the bible mu din wo me mom dia kai sam patanto ka mu
oh we are outside the plate na mami
safa go so
me ko ohoro
I live through your day and only get into know because if I don't the fire we susa soon house one who is tissue saying
the rig
and the middle can container now to crack container the bro I'm watching the route to year one now the now in nature now what I will say soon route have what would you
done like once it
Sandra was beginning no okay that was beginning no but later I realized
like tissue
me no me pen no and I started
to tissue but you tissue amali root kasa yetio
later on now I realized say me him say na all that for me to fall for him I don't know and I work here and I first started say oh my me attitude emotional blackmail
guilt trip papa find a guilt trip no be so iri ha o be so iri ha say there e so iri no one na microphone hey Ruth and also petty shoe company be adwuma wo mo because so robe so papa tu say ke te bia na ni so na I see a usu asema open no de nche aba ya usu On the route, obi because money a day pound, but they are not the channel, so no our fat issue can man never quite why no so soon because on to go to be soon. Sir,
this is a mammy, Sebby.
Yes, I had there. Before shopping, what you need in a high on 95.1 FM, Adwuma Adwuma senior. And I am Monday, me new Ali of PM Extra on any dog route and a chicken come on. And come on, I had a palm when you leave messages name kind mamma. Now me drive, trotro drivers, truck drivers, taxi drivers, and a bus drivers say. Moko to mufo I was self-filling station be a ben will be a number cash shell bush your corner home. The more I will shell, I will shell no. Not the more chances of becoming a member no cost through. But to me, I will car insurance, health insurance, and put groceries for your family. Take your driving experience to a different level. Join the Shell Club today and keep filling up for more benefits because Shell, we there for drivers. Compute Ghana Infinite Weekend in Edru one more as here. Debiana make I was say, but what ni borrow Compute Ghana shop will be a ben will be a. You could any Infinix phone of your choice. 20% discount a year off. Over to me come website www.computeghana.com. www.computeghana.com and also over 0302 752020. 0302 752020. Compute Ghana Infinix Weekend. Pay win up at the end. Tortina 74. Yeah, the supportive treatment. So what you're able to say kidney disease, liver disease, heart related problems, HIV covered, high blood pressure, high blood sugar. Ube here Tortina 74 na the account on their supportive treatment no. Na umpo mo ye dene. For general well-being. Impose kwa wonya ruka betumi anu bi na umpo mo ye dene fight against viruses and diseases. Ube here Tortina 74 ni bi ato Shagisco Pharmacy mo ka shi drug lane mo hono mo. And also betumi afre 0246 073498. 0246 073498. And I say 0501 628 931 0501 628 931 Tortina 74. Sabane Nokia phones, Samsung, iPhone, smart TVs, air condition, and as a fridge. Baby back open up to me uncle Franco Trading Enterprise. To me call say see and smart TV from 32 inches to 55 inches. Samsung almost our air condition from 1.5 horsepower to 2.5 horsepower. And a fridge come cute one at the basic office and I say put them in living room be I flexing. Me pacho internet social media and I say internet so mobile ma number be on mobile sound. My number is 2 pair 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and I say 0555 939 0555 939 Samsung with me download the app on our Google Play Store. And that's on my website www.francotrading.com. www.francotrading.com. Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone papa fee anyhow. The patch of what you need in a higher Adwuma Adwuma on Onua 95.1 FM. Many Ali and Ruth of PM Extra first evictee couple and a bon come on. And come on, I the palm messages no so you come upon. The patch of some may see we am patch better record that to Facebook when I come in live in color. Ali. Dear. You say life more free PM Extra house honum. What is the way forward?
This year, no, I say a relationship to go the next level.
Okay.
That's what we are basically trying to.
Oh, say they will see you to sing. What to make their next level? Ruth, are you ready for more tears? Ruth, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You are ready.
No matter what, like, I think that because of how I'm feeling for him, I don't know if he does like same. Because a bad thing.
Oh, for Suya, behold, Ali is like Nana Akufo-Addo, he can lie, Papa, fake tears. Now Ali, no dear, he's not for fame. He's in for fame. People should forget love. Oh, there be. Sana Akufo who am you would you say? But say your fame no Quentin alcohol.
No.
You love her.
I love her. Fame the fame be more. My brother. Pressure.
Also, just be real.
Oh yeah, it's love basically.
Love.
Yeah, love.
What is love to you in your language? What is love?
Oh, I feel like love is say beshia kenny one in the bra. Maybe say bet me and in marriage, then you move on from there.
That's your definition for love. Ruth, what definition for love is saying?
Okay. I would say my definition for love is like two people or more, but I don't.
Hey,
a euro.
Hey, Ruth.
I genuinely.
In a way. I don't know him. Ali, we are show to me define the love.
I see me win.
Let's say, oh, you don't believe it, and I say,
Oh, I do.
to me explain it.
Love is everything. Like everything. The fact that you guys share everything together goes in pain, like everything.
Asemba so I don't know.
I want mine to today.
It's asemba. Nesi kind of dikasebe. They are non eka. Nti ya no nya botre. Once mas na me so maintenance. You will be a good couple together if you all in a etian ho ase.
Ruth, do you believe what Ali just said?
No.
I didn't hear.
Because Rebecca with a fair but backstage, no.
Yes, I know. Or tea.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, come on, then so Emrason. Emrason. And some part 2.
Yeah, part 2 there.
And some more part 2. I shall final words.
See, my final words, no say, if I me that, Obia say, Omo support here. Time I vote no name, Bia, if I say, don't mean say, and if I say Ali, and who say, no matter what he does, I'm not giving up on him.
Uswan Krema said, the Krana, no, I
am not giving up on him.
Oh,
but
so nice.
He shouldn't push me away. Because if I go, I won't come back.
Okay. I felt that. Ali, final words.
Okay, that's the way towards the need fans for supporting when we were in the Manchester house, their followers and like they believe in us. Do you said it tibia nyame shramonyam kese.
It's your funny for yeah, the movie see Hanomo. PM Extra, first evicted couples and any mobile common Ali any Ruth. They were so lively in the house. That they were my favorite. But it doesn't end here. You don't money there, you don't in the show and outside the show. What I say. The only baby we will accept it and support them. Your friend Felicia say, oh, be a tutu, oh, and me, wow, so good. So, me man, location, your best time of your nana. It's a matter of vlog, maybe we sit dying. Maybe you buying. Maybe the best one, you move your quiet. I thought be a brain, I thought be a hood, I thought be a quiet, rap, what's a little baby. Hey. Hey, poor man. Hey, pens out where could mean Pemubia mediane. That is any antes. Yeah, the other guys, yeah, the mansions. No Jilances. Hey, that's it. If I show me the movie, see from Felicia, say, if I got in now class prefect. Mamin Chairman of Papaya Maryland, CEO of PAAA Cosmetics and a wife. My chairman of DJ Abiam Organa 3FM. DJ boy DJ GH boy and a bomb DJ YM Banne. Now my wishing me producer and I can have speedy recovery. Emi admo chine be se shebi ne sent na tie for na do for munyina. Don't reach a ko Facebook. Inshaba wa hawa fa wa ha. Munyina. Mobia tutu.
GH boy.
Oh, yes. Johnny just come. Yeah. Boy, how far past street? You don't run your mouth. I don't tell you, I shall only be cheap. Call me your boss. If you too lightweight, before man go come out your teeth. Hey, Captain Sankara, I dey VIP. I dey watch your girl like
every day we party. Every day we party.
more than 10
Every day we party.
I dey watch like
Every day we party.
She